Hi guys, in front of me HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and as you can see I have all Google services on my device, and now I can show you how to install it on your smartphone. As you can see, I have YouTube, it works perfectly. I have Calendar, it works perfectly. Google Maps, it works perfectly. Sheets works perfectly. Google Drive works perfectly. Music, Docs, and other services work perfectly. And I even have the Play Market. And as you can see, installing apps from the Play Market works great too. So let's begin. At the very beginning, you should open AppGallery on your HUAWEI and find here MicroG. Install this application. Once it's installed, click Open and add here your Google account. As you can see, I've added one account and I have it. Then open your web browser, and in Bing search, this is the default search in your HUAWEI device, just enter Aurora Store. Then scroll down and find here F-Droid.org website. Here is not a lot of ads like on other stores. Then scroll down and find here maybe you have a newer version than 72, but in 72 search doesn't work for some reason. So I suggest you scroll a bit down and find version 71. It works perfectly. And click Download APK. And with no ads, with no other strange steps, you can just download it. Then just install it. Click Allow. I will remove Aurora Store just to show the setup process. So now I'm installing the Aurora Store. Then click Open. Next. Here you should grant permissions. So this is the reason I've just removed Aurora Store, just to show you how to grant it all. It's not too difficult, as you can see, but now you know how to do that from the very beginning. Click Google and connect your MicroG Google account. Click OK. And here we go. As you can see, here we have downloads. Here we have updates. We can even check for updates. And I can even update YouTube, as you can see, in Aurora Store. I can download any application I want. For example, Telegram. And here is how the installation process looks like. I have poor internet connection here, but as you can see, I've updated YouTube. It's just asking me for clicking install button, and after installing it works. Same with Telegram. As you can see, it's downloading. Then click install. Click install button. And cool, here we are. And every Google application works perfectly. So thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful for you. And if it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video. Subscribe to our channel just to promote this video and to reach more HUAWEI users. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next one.